Weld.
용접하다.
When did you learn how to weld?
When did you learn how to weld?
넌 언제 용접을 배웠니?
I learned how to weld in high school.
고등학교 때 용접을 배웠어요.
I learned how to weld in high school. When did you learn how to weld? I started learning how to weld last year.
작년에 용접을 배우기 시작했어요.
I started learning how to weld last year. I've been welding for 5 years now.
저는 용접을 한 지 5년이 되었습니다.
I've been welding for 5 years now. I've been welding for 5 years now. When did you learn how to weld? I took a welding course 3 years ago.
3년 전에 용접 강좌를 수강했어요.
I learned how to weld from my father.
아버지로부터 용접을 배웠어요.
I learned how to weld from my father.